So in this slide we will use or see links to the same document. Section example. Okay, links to the same document. This section, how to visit any section in the same web page. Suppose you are on the top of your web page, you want to visit to the bottom. How it will be done actually? So this is the code from which you can actually go to a specific location. First, I have written heading H1 table of contents. Okay. So before this, you have to write HTML tag opening. Okay, all of you. In the previous example, also HTML tag opening was not there. Please write that. So here H1 table of content. This is the first heading. It will be displayed in large font. Then P paragraph A href is equal to hash section 1. I have told you this example. So this hash section 1 is nothing but the introduction part where we want to jump. Okay, slash A and break line. Then A href is equal to hash section 2. This is another section where we want to jump. Okay, some background. Okay, slash A break line. Then A href hash section 2.1 project history. These are various sections of any kind of book you can say, or any project report. Okay, project history, introduction, some background. These are some of the text written in that book. We are jumping to those text using the sections. Okay, slash and break link. The rest of the table of contents. Okay, then there is one comment. The document text follows here. H2 ID. So now we are jumping to these locations. H2 is the heading 2. ID is equal to section 1. So from href is equal to on the top, from href is equal to hash section 1 introduction. It is actually written in H2 ID is equal to section 1 introduction slash H2 section 1 follows here. So this dot 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 section 1 follows here dot 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 is actually nothing but some text of the introduction part. Okay, so now we are reading it. Suppose now below that H2 ID is equal to section 2 some background, and below that some text will be written, background information, any kind of text. So we are jumping from above to below. And HT ID is equal to section 2.1 project history slash S3. Section 2.1 follows here. So H1, H2, H3, these are headings, all of you know. Okay, and the sections are defining some kind of text. We are jumping from above to those sections, section 1, 2 and 3. Okay, everyone have understood. See, simple example is there. Please read or see this slide one more time. So this will be the output when you perform the above code. Okay, first H1 heading table of contents, then introduction. Okay, then some background and history of the project. So these are the links href. Okay, when you click those links, introduction, some background, history of the project, you will be redirected below. You can see introduction and some background, and below that is history of the project. It is not displayed here. History of the project is below this some background text. Okay, there is one more line, history of the project. I think I have not taken it. You will see it. When you will run the code, you will see all the things. So these are nothing but the sections in an HTML document. Okay, now we will move to the next slide. Image tags, img, image tags. We have seen some of the examples of image tags. The image tag actually requires two attributes. Okay, keep this in mind. The image tag requires two attributes. We have seen First one is the src. It is nothing but the source. Specifies the path to the image. Means what? If your image is stored in C folder, C drive, and in a folder, then the whole path of that image is called as the source. Then next attribute is the ALT. It specifies an alternate text for the image. Okay, it specifies an alternate text for the image ALT. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, then that alternate text will be displayed. It may be name of image or something else. Make one note here. Please note down all the things which I am telling. Okay. One note. Also always specify the width and height of an image. So you want or you have to specify the width and height of an image, because if width and height are not specified, the page might flicker while the image loads. So there may be some flickering of the page. Okay. So always explain the width and height to an image. So inserting the first point, you can say inserting an image with image text. How it can be done? Image src is equal to slash image slash bsd dash logo dot png. So image src is equal to slash image slash bsd dash logo dot png is nothing but the path of that image where it is located. Then image attributes. So these are the, as I have already told you, there are some attributes. The two attributes which are important are the first two, src and alt. There are some more attributes. So src is nothing but location of image file, relative or absolute. Okay. Then alt is substitute text for display. Example, in text mode. In text mode is the text for an image. Okay. Height, number of pixels of the height. Width, number of pixels for the width, and border, size of border. 0 for no border. If you want no border, then size of border should be 0. Okay, so these are the attributes which are used with image. Example of image. Tag img src is equal to php.png. So this is the source, and alternate name is PHP logo. Okay. So from this example, you will understood how an image tag is written. Source is the path of the image and alt is the alternate name.